Class, in this video, we are going to construct a hexagon given a side. So we're going to start with our side by going to our segment tool and doing our side right here. I'm going to show our labels. There's A and B. This is our side. Alright, we use the construction of an equilateral triangle as our guide because when we construct a point here, we will have an equilateral triangle. And all hexagons that are regular are constructed of 6 equilateral triangles. Okay, so to construct this point up here for equilateral triangle, it's the same distance from A to this point and B to this point. And we use our circle tool to help us because in every circle there is the radii are the same. Okay, so I have this point marked up here, and I'll do the circle from click on B and go out to A, and we'll have that circle there. Okay, so this intersection right here, we'll use our point tool to construct the intersection, and then we'll label that our center of our hexagon. So it's point C. Okay, so we have A, B, and C there. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit and move it down. Now from C to A and C to B, those are the same distance. C out to another point out here, or up here, or up here will also be the same distances because they're all equilateral triangles. And so what we can do is we can construct more circles from C as the center out to A. So I'll snap to A and notice that it goes right through B because it's also the same distance. And the intersection of this new circle with center C on the left and on the right are more vertices of our hexagon. Okay. Okay. And so what we need to do is we need to construct 2 more points. Actually, let's do some segments here. Construct 2 more points up here about and up here about. Remember, they're going to be the same distance from C. So we use our equilateral triangle idea, construct another circle from D out to C, to get this point up here, and then construct that point again and show its label. Then we need to do the same thing from C, E to C. It's our circle tool, E to C. And that intersection will be the last point of our hexagon. Show that label. And we'll construct the remaining 2 segments, 3 segments here. D to F, F to G, and G to E. Okay. So in all of those circles, there is a hexagon, so we're going to hide the parts that we don't need to see. Oops. Okay, and there's our hexagon given a side. We check our dynamic geometry part of it by making B and A smaller or bigger. You can kind of rotate B around A, and vice versa. Okay. And there we have our hexagon.